Walks through the woods, wounded and low. He falls, his breath so hard but fading with every wall. Through fibers, flesh and brick, I can't feel him. See, already as good as dead. Can't see what he sees. Even in dreams I hold you tight, protract the day, hold back the night. I can't let you go, keep holding on, but your body's cold, you're already gone. Once I passed 3 trees, stood like old women on the shore. Those trees were moved, not by impermanence, but by the wind. I used to think, if I run far and fast enough, could be there when I stop. Is that too much? Even in dreams, in brilliant light, as shadows drowning, lost in flight. I won't let you go, keep holding on. So it's ours together, not yours alone. This world, it cushioned him, corseted him. Ooh, it's given up on him and forgotten him. To nothingness, but no one knows you, are you precious? Even in dreams I hold you tight, protract the day, hold back the night. I can't let you go, keep holding on, but your body's cold, you're already gone. Shadows drowning, lost in flight. I won't let you go, no, I'm still holding on, I'm still holding on. Even in dreams, you're still there, oh, you're still there in my dreams. I'm still holding on, I'm still holding on. 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 Thank you very much. If you would like to hear my music or follow me or whatever, I'm on Facebook. And just in case you didn't hear my spelling last time, my name is Miranda Quammie. Quammie is Quammie, not the typical West African way. Okay, thank you very much.
Next Blue Monday, Wednesday, December the 14th. Thank you for everyone for coming down.